I know there's been increased interest in selling print-on-demand products on Amazon Seller Central recently. Now, I've been doing it since 2017, and since 2017, I have been pushing products manually, as you would expect. Now, with the advent of AI, it was only a matter of time until somebody figured out a way to automate the entire creation process for print-on-demand products. And the tool I want to show you today, I've been using for the past 3 months. It has published 200 products a day using AI, requiring zero input from me. And when those products sell, the order fulfillment is automated. So this is completely automated print on demand on the world's #1 marketplace, Amazon. I'm going to show you how easy it is to set up in this video. Let's get to it. So let's get right to it. The tool is called Podtomatic, and it does just what I said it does. It will use AI to create the niches and the designs. Now, the designs are text-based, but guys, I sell text-based products all the time. The majority of my sales every year are text-based, meaning no graphics, okay? As proof, all right, I mentioned I've been using it for 3 months. Today, August 20th, if you can see over here behind my head, it has already created 200 products for me. You can see the timestamps, okay? And in total, it has created 18,400 products for me. Now, if I zoom in, we can even look at the products it created for me today. The last couple products were ornaments, candles, travel mugs, tumblers, keychains, another travel mug, a leather bracelet, a tumbler, and an ornament. So they switch it up. They actually use products from the Gear Bubble and Laser Chili catalog. Once you're integrated, like this whole tool can be set up in like 5 minutes. You integrate it with your Amazon Seller Central account. You input a few settings over here. You set up your pricing, all right, for each of these products that I mentioned. And in like 5 to 10 minutes, you're done, and you're done for good. Then you just sit back, relax, let it do its thing. When you make a sale on these products, fulfillment is automated. So the creation of the products is automated and the fulfillment's automated, but it's not like fake automated. It's completely sit back, relax, do nothing automated. Now, I wanted to show you some of the products before I wrap this video. I don't think this video should be long. I mean, it's a 5 to 10 minute setup, and then you get 200 products created every day for as long as your subscription to Podtomatic is active. And of course, I will link to it in the description in case you're interested in checking it out. Here are some examples of the products that it will create. This bracelet says, "I think me being your mother is enough of a gift." And you can see it does pretty good SEO. The title there was "Birthday Unique Gifts, Funny Rope Bracelet. I think me being your mother is enough of a gift. Black adjustable engraved stainless steel gifts from children." And you can set the price points again in your settings. Here's the next one. It says, "I think me being your mother is enough of a gift." Okay, similar. And then the title, "Funny Gifts from Sons and Daughters. I think me being your mother is enough of a gift. 14-ounce stainless steel travel mug, birthday unique gifts." Next one, the keychain example. "Mother keychain, funny gift for mom, birthday unique gifts, engraved stainless steel, black," and then it's got the measurements, "gifts from daughter, son." Here's a tumbler, "Funny gifts for mother, 20, 30-ounce tumbler. I think me being your mother is enough of a gift, vacuum insulated stainless steel, birthday unique gifts, gifts from kids." Okay, so my whole point in showing you this is just to give you an idea of the products it'll push. Guys, it's Amazon. I guess it really depends. Like, I have so much experience on Amazon, over 7 years, millions of dollars in sales. When I say that when I sell on Amazon, I try to target fringe evergreens, I mean exactly stuff like this. That's what I'm talking about. Stuff that can definitely make sales, but is not likely to be best sellers. Because when you're a bestseller, we already know what happens. I'm not trying to say you don't want a bestseller, you do. But you get cloned 500 times. You have to deal with people stealing your designs, undercutting you. It is what it is, right? Print on demand is a low barrier of entry. But if you stack a massive catalog, tens of thousands, hundreds of thousands of products in these fringe evergreens, that's how you build, to me, that recurring, sustainable, passive income over a long time horizon that can free you from your job. I mean, I'm not trying to promise you anything, but that's literally what I did. You know what I mean? I started in 2017, February 2020. I left my day job. I made 6-figure passive income profits from print on demand in 2019. By the time 2020 rolled around, I didn't need my job. You know what I mean? One more product here. This is another bracelet. Underneath there, a candle. After that, a coffee mug, two-tone, So just showing you guys some examples of products that you can expect from Podtomatic. If you guys are interested, check out the link in the description so you can sign up. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you soon with another new video.